Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can claim free exhibition pass in Heartopia from My Little Pony update. Okay, let's get started guys. The Little Pony update has been released in Heartopia game. And then I'm going to go to this menu to open up the event. And I'm going to show you the event that will give you free exhibition pass. And you can click on this menu, Little Pony Connection. Okay, and here we just need to connect the puzzle, and then we will get the exhibition pass for free. And you can do this event daily. You can log in daily to light up one puzzle piece. And now I can claim the exhibition pass just like this. And then for the final reward, oh, I obtained this item, Spy Costume. Okay guys, and that's how you can claim the exhibition pass in Heartopia. And then you can use the exhibition pass to participate in this rainbow vehicle collection, because we will need exhibition pass to obtain the vehicle. Okay, that's all for today. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!